with Ukraine's drone army targeting Russian tanks from the rear. This has multiple benefits. Having a lot less armor, the warhead has a higher probability of hitting right and penetrating into the tank, with the engine being placed in the back, often leading to a strike immobilizing the tank, but also as there's a lot more fuel, which can create an internal fire. Either having the ammunition to burn up in the process, or as seen here, having the remaining fuel to create a large fireball, destroying more of Russia's tanks, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.